Hello, hello, hello. Hi, guys. Hey, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Just waiting for the algorithm of... Hi, Louise. Hi, Jacqueline. Hi, how are you guys? Just coming for a little while. I got something very important to share with you guys. If you guys want to go ahead, hit like, share, do a watch party if you want. Hello, Jacqueline. I'm super excited to be here. I'm on my way home after a couple of hours of work. But I'm coming to talk to you as I put on the live. How to be successful. 3 things that you all gotta have to be successful. 3 things. And ever since day 1, oops, sorry for the sun. I do apologize. I'm gonna have to put myself a little bit to the side so I can finish up my live so you guys can see me clearly. So, like I said, my name is Elsa Montalvo. I am from Miami, Florida. I am a successful 5-figure earner in this industry that's called network marketing. And I'm going to share with you what are the 3 things that every network marketer or entrepreneur needs to have or has to have to be successful. So number 1, I got some notes, of course, and I've been reading, listening to this audible called Building an Empire, and I wanted to share with you what I have gotten from at least the first chapter. Just imagine. And I haven't even gone through the whole book, and this is amazing. So as a network marketer, everybody thinks that it's going to be easy. A lot of people think, oh yes, I'm going to buy my package and I'm ready to go. Well, I'm sorry. Nope. That's not the way it is. It's not the way it is. Because I've been there. So the first thing I wanted to share with you was, to be successful, you have to have a burning desire of what you want. What do you want to get? Where do you want to go? What is your goal to being in the company you're with? Okay, I'm not only talking about the company I'm with. Just as a network marketer yourself, you need to have a burning desire. Every day you gotta wake up with that flame. It's not like, you turn on a candle and the candle's lit, but when it starts going off and a little bit of wind goes, those days that you come and you feel like you're down, you haven't done anything, you talk to 10 people, nobody has listened to you. Well, you need to go and get that burning desire again. You need to bring that up to making a torch. You see? That is one of the things to be successful. If you don't have that burning desire, you're not going to be successful in anything that you want to accomplish. Okay? So number 2, and I think I've been hearing this for so long, right? That you got to be coachable. I know you must hear it every day. Every coach must say the same thing. You gotta be coachable. If you are not coachable, you would not be successful. Why? You're gonna be coached by a person that has been successful, a six-figure earner, seven-figure earner, or $500,000 the person has made, right? And the best way that you could do is actually be coachable. Whatever this person says, go do it. Don't think about it. Don't think it twice. Don't even start overthinking it. Let's say it that way, right? And then you don't do it. Or you do it one day and you do the second day and you do it for the first week and that's it. And then after that, oh man, I can't do this. Oh, I'm not being successful. I haven't signed up someone. Well, you're not being coachable. Unfortunately, you're not being coachable. Very simple. As being coached by my mentor, she explains to us that we should be doing gratitude statements. And I do my gratitude statements every day. Every day. I do my gratitude statements, I do my affirmations, and I do my quote, right? So not only that, you gotta be coachable. Yes, it's something that you do every day, but it's a mindset that you have to change. So the third one, and this is gonna be very important. The third one is that you gotta be willing to work. You gotta be willing to work. $1 is not gonna get to you if you're not willing to work. A prospect can reach out to you if you're doing lives, if you're communicating, leaving, things, but you gotta be willing to work for it. That's what's important here. You gotta be willing to work, because if not, you're not gonna do anything. It's so easy to get strategies. It's so easy to get on a training and your coach or your mentor gives you all this great information for you to implement. But you know what? It looks nice on the piece of paper. It looks nice on the computer. It looks nice on your file. But if you're not willing to work that, right? If you're not willing to work it or implement those strategies and put yourself to work, you're not going to be successful. So it doesn't matter how many strategies or how many meetings or how many things you get from your trainer or from your coach. If you don't go out there and work and implement it, you ain't going nowhere. So that's the way I see it. You want to be coached by these amazing coaches that are 6-figure, 7-figure earners, right? And then you go ahead and you do not want to follow their instructions or the guidance that they want to give you to be that successful person, and you give up on yourself. Oh well, it's not because the trainer or your coach wasn't there for you. It was because you didn't want to put in the works. So guys, I do apologize because the sun is hitting me. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to record this again in a better, not having the sun in front of my face. I apologize. But I hope you guys got the information what I wanted to give to you today. All right, so have a good evening. Bye.